Okay, we're here, Mom and Aiden, to unbox the toys that Aiden got at Petco. One's a penguin, and one's a sea turtle.
These are the wind-up toys that Dad gave it to me from Petco.
Sounds good.
Let's start unboxing the penguin wind-up toy.
Okay. Might just go inside there, honey. Maybe just cut it all the way off. There you go. There you go. There's penguin.
And here's the gimmick. You wind him up and he swims in the ice-cold pool like this.
Let's see. Ooh, look at his little feet go. Wow. That's pretty cool. There you go. Now we're going to do the sea turtle.
Here's the gimmick. You wind him up and he works in the bathtub, hot tub, and in the pool like this.
Wow. Cool.
Let's do it from the other side.
Okay. There goes his teeth. Look at him go. Woohoo! Good job. Take those in the pool and play with them. Okay, thanks for joining us. We hope you had a good time.
Wait, there's bags to unbox from these stores.
Okay, we'll be right back.